Alright, so we've got a pretty cool package today. I looked all over on YouTube for like e46 shift knob videos, and everybody just puts the ZHP ones on that are press fitted as well. So it's just find like shift knobs that would fit with threads. But my friend got a shift knob from Likewise, and what it actually comes with is this little adapter right here that when you take the shift knob off, you'll just put it on there, and then you can thread their shift knob into it. From what I've heard, it's pretty difficult to get the shift knobs off, so I don't have a heat gun, but my sister has a blow dryer, so. Got it. I had to get up in the seat, basically standing in here, but this is what it looks like without the shift knob on there. You can see, here's my old worn out factory shift knob. All right, so here's the adapter that you're just gonna set over this. And then once you get that tightened down, you'll be able to throw the shift knob on there. So this just has two little screw holes, and it comes with a tiny Allen wrench. All right, got that threaded on there. Now we just come in here, grab my shift knob. There you have it. I'm gonna straighten out to where the threads are tight, so just so the lettering's straight, because it'll look better. All right, there's the shift knob. They also make retaining clips for the shift boot, but I'm probably gonna get a different shift boot anyway, so I was just waiting to see what route I want to go with on that. I'll probably end up ordering one. But overall, I think that it's a nice little touch. Alright, so just wanted to give you guys an update on this. It's been a couple days, and I love it. It feels way better, and it looks way better. My old one was really raggedy, so if you guys are interested, I'll put the link to Likewise in the description, and they have all sorts of different shift knobs. So if you don't like this one, there's a ton more, and they got all the adapters too.